Have you ever wondered why birds fly in V formations? Well, it's not because they're trying to impress us with their perfect geometry skills. It's all about teamwork and making their long journeys easier. You see, the bird at the front takes the hit of the wind resistance, creating an uplift for the birds behind, so that the rest of the birds don't have to work harder. This helps them conserve energy during those long flights. It's like a feathery carpool, where everyone takes their turn at the wheel. Means the front bird does switch its position time to time, so that it can get some rest too. So next time you spot birds in V formation, remember, they're not just flying, they're carpooling through the skies. The original Frequent Flyers Club. Can you please subscribe?